This problem set says estimate the product first. When we're in 5th grade and we estimate, what do we do? Round first. Solve by using a standard algorithm. Use your estimate to check the reasonableness of the product. So right here I'm looking at this one, and I noticed that they have already got an estimate for us of 60,000. Michael, don't work ahead. They rounded 213 to 200 and 328 to 300. Notice I covered up that problem that they wrote because I don't have enough room with my big fat pen. So I'm going to rewrite mine over here. I want to talk through this, and I want Lupita to help me. Okay? So Lupita, what's 3 times 8?
24.
So regroup the 2, write the 4. What's 8 times 1?
8.
You can write while we're doing this. Plus 2.
10.
Good. Cross off the 2. 2 times 8.
16.
Plus 1.
17.
Good. Cross off the 1. So I'm done with the 8. And draw the waddle in the wrong place, right?
Yep.
And anything times a multiple of 10?
Add a 0 to the end.
Okay, so 3 times 2. Lupita.
5, 6.
Okay. 2 times 1.
2.
2 times 2.
6.
Anything times a multiple of 100?
Add 2 zeros to the end.
And it doesn't rhyme.
2 times 2 is 4. Yeah.
She told me the right thing. Maybe I wrote the wrong
No.
thing.
Oh. Oh yeah. What? No.
No.
No. That part was right.
I got it. I got it. Did you tell me a 4 and I wrote a
6. No.
sorry.
She said a 6.
3 times 3. Lexi, I don't need your help right now.
Okay.
3 times 1. 3 times 2. Add it up. $69,000, pretty close to 60,000?
No. 70,000.
No, it's 69,000, and it's close enough. When you're multiplying huge numbers, you're not going to get within a few numbers. You're going to get within a few thousand, okay? Or maybe a few 10,000s or 100,000s. Okay, let's try B. Lupita, I know where your mistakes were occurring when you regrouped your numbers. Okay, so what would I round 662 to?
700.
700. And what about 372?
100.
Good. What's 7 times 4?
28.
How many zeros do I put on that?
4.
So my answer is going to be close to what, boys and girls?
280,000.
Michael, is that how I wrote mine? Because you're going to run out of room to write your multiplication problem. There's a reason why I'm scrunching it up to the top. So now let's do some multiplication. Oops. All right. 2 times 2.
4.
6 times 2.
12.
Regroup the.
1.
Good. 2 times 6.
12.
Plus 1 more.
13.
Cross off the 1.
Did you? Oh. Now.
Now cross off the 2. Oh, I didn't draw the head. There we go. Anything times a multiple of 10.
Add a 0 to the end.
Waddle. 7 times 2.
14.
Watch where I put my 1.
3.
Okay. 7 times 6
42.
plus 1.
43.
Watch where I put my 3 or my 4.
Cross off the 1.
6 times 7
42.
plus 4.
45. 48.
2 plus 4.
6.
Thank you. Anything times a multiple of 100,
And 2 zeros to the end.
yeah, and that doesn't rhyme.
No.
3 times 2,
6.
3 times 6,
12.
18. Regroup to 1. 3 times 6
18.
plus 1.
19.
I'm going into the next problem.
Me too.
That's okay, we're not going to do E. We're going to skip E. this what you got? This does not look
No.
okay.
With 3 plus 3 plus 6, that should be a 5.
No.
That should be a. Yeah, I got that. I got. Yeah.
6 plus 6 is 12. I think my partial products are wrong.
I got that. No, you have your 3 by your 4 is 3 plus. Yes, that's. I think that's my 4.
Okay, let's look. So this is 6 times 7.
Plus 1.
Oh my gosh. Is 43.
It's 44 because you did 7 times 2, then you carry the 1.
I know, what's 6 times 7?
42.
Plus 1, 43.
I messed up. I got 245,000. I added them. I got 244,000. I got like 6,000.
So 246,264. Is that close to our estimate? A few thousand away, right? Okay, let's take a look at D. What would I round 807 to?
800.
And 491 rounds to?
500.
Okay, so 8 times 5 is?
440.
How many zeros do I add?
3. 4.
So 400,000. 807 times 491. Let's talk through this. So 7 times 1. 1
7.
times 0. Oh, 807 times 1. Right? Okay, second column or second row. What's 9 times 7?
63.
Do I regroup the 6?
No.
Why?
Because there's a 0.
Very good. There's a 0 in the tens place. We would end up adding 6 to 0 and getting 6. 8 times 9?
72.
Okay. Anything times a multiple of 100.
Add 2 zeros.
Good. So now I have 4 times 7. Do I regroup the 2?
Yes. No. No.
Why not?
Because there's a 0.
8 times 4?
32.
$396,237. I'm pretty close to my estimate. How close am I?
Really close.
Well, let's figure out how close. How would I figure out the difference between those two numbers?
Subtracting.
Subtracting. So I'm going to subtract 396,237 from 400,000. Go ahead, write it down. How do I do this?
Oh, it's time to go.
I'm sorry. How do I do this?
You.
I go next door about 5 times or 6 times. And then I've got what? 9, 9, 9, 9, 10. And we know why, don't we? Because we have to keep going and borrowing and passing them on to the neighbors. So 10 minus 7, 9 minus 3, 9 minus 2, 9 minus 6. So my difference is 3,763.
Put them in your trapper. Don't. It is time for bad. No, it's not. Just leave it. Don't touch anything, Dad. Set it down. Time to go to bad time. Sorry, Mrs. Lewis. No, it's bad. No, yeah. No, it's bad. Wait, Sadie. Just kidding. No, it's not. Hey, put it on. Are you sure? Are you sure? I'm sure. It's not recording. No, it's actually recording. Sadie! Come on. It's not recording. Is it recording? No. I don't know. I see Miss Lewis do it every time. She pauses. When she pauses, it has that like red little dot, right, Jesus? What? That every time when she talks, it has that little red dot. So it's recording. Yeah.
I don't know.
I think. Is it recording? Jane, is it recording? I don't know. Because every time when Miss Lewis talks it has like that red dot, doesn't it? I think it's recording. I don't know.
I'm not recording. Okay?